Hi everyone, this is Jennifer with Infinity Insurance, and today I'm going to show you how to change your car's engine air filter. First, we need to make sure that the engine bay is cool. One tip is to do this in the morning before you've had the chance to drive anywhere. Once the engine bay is at a safe temperature, open the hood and get started. Before we begin, be sure that you're in a safe area, have a replacement air filter, and the necessary tools. For our Jeep, I'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver and disposable gloves to keep my hands clean. On our Jeep, the air filter box is located on the left-hand side of the engine bay. There are 3 bolts we need to remove. Once you've removed them, set them aside in a safe place and then open the air filter box. Now that the air filter box is open, let us take the filter and see how it looks. If it's dirty or just looks gross, you need to change it. It's super easy. Remove the old one and insert the new one. Once you've replaced the filter, close the air filter box and seal it with the 3 bolts. And we're done! You did it! Give yourself a high five. This is going to help your gas mileage, your engine life, and will reduce emissions. That's it! Now you know how to change your air filter. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Until next time, it's Jennifer with Infinity Insurance.